In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Google Analytics into your Wix site for a free setup. Integrating Google Analytics with your Wix website is a great way to gain insights into your website's performance and better understand your audience. It's a straightforward process, so let's dive in. First things first, you'll want to open your Wix dashboard. This is where you'll manage all aspects of your website. Once you're inside the dashboard, look around for the settings area. This is typically located on the left-hand side of the screen, so go ahead and give it a click when you find it. After entering the settings menu, the next step is to locate marketing integrations. Click on this option to access a variety of tools that can help you enhance your site's marketing capabilities. Now you should see a list of multiple integrations available through Wix. Scroll through until you find Google Analytics. Once you've spotted it, click on Connect to begin integrating Google Analytics with your Wix site. At this moment, you might be prompted to either sign into your Google account or choose one if you're already logged in. If you don't have a Google Analytics account yet, this is the perfect time to set one up. Simply visit the Google Analytics website and follow their quick setup process. Once you've set up your Google account, return here to continue. With your Google account connected, you'll be asked to authorize Wix to access your Google Analytics data. This step is crucial as it allows the integration to function correctly. Make sure to grant the necessary permissions for optimum functionality. After you've completed this authorization, Wix will automatically link your site to Google Analytics. And there you have it. At this stage, your Wix site is now connected to Google Analytics. This integration allows you to delve into a world of metrics, providing valuable insights directly from your Google Analytics dashboard. It's important to make visiting your Google Analytics account a regular habit, as doing so will help you analyze data effectively. Over time, these insights will allow you to refine and optimize your website and its content, enhancing your visitors' experience and potentially boosting your engagement and performance metrics. By following these steps, you are setting a solid foundation for tracking your website's performance and understanding your audience more effectively. Thanks for watching and happy analyzing.